So today we have a second video, and the title of this video is that ether is time invariant. Universal space is time invariant. This will be very hard to understand because you have to jump out of this model of space-time, where time is a four-dimensional space. This is 100 years old joke, a very bad joke. There is no physical time in the universe. Okay, universe does not exist in physical time. This is first thing, and the second thing is also there is no physical time in the universe. The idea today is that universe exists in some physical time. This is absolute nonsense. Time exists only as duration, and duration enters existence when is measured by the observer. Otherwise, there is no time at all. Motion in space, let's say in ether, does not require time. Time is an emergent physical reality that enters existence when measured. So there is absolutely no cosmological time, there is no arrow of time, there is no past, there is no future. The only reality that exists is now, present, and this present is eternity itself. And in the technical terms, we say that universal space is time invariant. So nothing ever happened in the physical past because there is no physical past. You were born, you live, and you will die in the same time invariant space, in the ether. There is no time in the ether. Ether is non-created energy, fundamental energy of the universe. And everything that ever happened and will ever happen will happen in the same ether. Ether is a syntropy type of energy. Ether has no entropy. And cosmic microwave background radiation is the radiation of ether. And ether is radiating this radiation and absorbing this radiation back. You know, the idea that cosmic microwave background radiation is a proof for the recombination period that was, I don't know, a few 100,000 years after Big Bang. This is just a bad joke. You have to go really deep into this subject. We have only motion in time invariant ether. And you experience this motion through the linear model of time, which is in your brain. Linear time, it's running only in your brain. There is no time running in the universe at all. I will be very sincere. It took me 20 years to got this point. And I guess it was 2014, we published with my research fellow physicist David Fiscaletti, Italian physicist, we published an article about this in Foundations of Physics. That the only time that we have in the universe is mathematical time. This is numerical order of change. And the fundamental unit of numerical order of change is the Planck time. And that material change ran in time invariant space. So the only universe that really exists is the one we can observe and experience. All the rest is just a human imagination. This absolute nonsense of Big Bang, this absolute nonsense of some supersymmetry at the beginning, and this absolute nonsense that then antimatter disappears somewhere. I mean, this is not science. We have to change in physics something, and this something is that we stop talking nonsense about things that never happen. We have to develop physics which is based on experimental data, on experiment. And it was never experimented that time. It's a fourth dimension of space. Never. At the beginning of last century, mathematics has prevailed physics and has damaged physics immensely. So this is for today. You live in a time-invariant ether, which is eternity itself.